Hi guys, welcome back to Uncle Heisenberg Science Institute. Today, we're learning about volcanoes and making our own volcanoes. That sounds like fun, doesn't it?
Yeah!
Today's helpers are Artemis, Connor, Jaina, and Orion.
And me.
Good job guys, everybody give yourself a round of applause. Yay! Alright, now what do you guys know about volcanoes?
Yeah.
Artemis, go ahead. Tell me what you know.
So, there's special stuff on the there. When it goes really hot, it goes zoop, and then all explodes.
That's pretty cool. Have you guys ever seen a volcano before?
Yeah!
Yeah?
Mom,
Now Jaina, did you know anything about volcanoes?
I'm telling you something that you can't eat. You can't drink a volcano water.
You really can't. You know
Because
why?
you'll burn yourself.
It sure will, won't it? That's right.
Here are some things that you guys may not have known about volcanoes. Now in this picture, you see a volcano that's erupting. The red liquid that comes out of it is called lava. When it's inside the volcano, they call it magma. When it comes out, that's when they call it lava. Once it gets to the surface, it stops flowing and cools down. It turns into rock, a lot like the rock candy that we made in the last episode. I'm going to tell you about some more interesting facts about the volcano. The volcano is actually a mountain that just flows downward into a pool of molten rock beneath the surface of the earth. And whenever pressure builds up, the eruptions occur. There are 3 different types of volcanoes. There are active volcanoes. In these, eruptions can be at any time and they can happen often. These are a couple of examples of those around the world. A dormant volcano is an active volcano that hasn't erupted, but it's supposed to erupt again. Here are some examples of that right here, in Hawaii and in Japan. Extinct volcanoes, it means it hasn't erupted in a very long time, so it probably won't ever erupt again. In India and Tanzania are places where that happens. Now they can also be classified based on their shapes. You have shield volcanoes, where it looks like a shield, it has long, gentle slopes. In this heat, the magma is too running so the gas moves away easily, and the magma simply comes out of the mountain and flows down the sides. There's no explosion there. Here's a couple pictures of those. Next we have composite volcanoes. These are steep-sided volcanoes and composed of many layers of volcanic rocks. They're usually made from sticky and thick lava, rock, debris, and ash. Now, the magma is thick and gooey, just like honey. So the gas can't escape and it builds up and up until it explodes, sending out huge clouds of burning rock and gas. Pretty cool, huh? Here's what that would look like. Cinder cones are ovular or circular cones that are made from erupting lava and breaks into small pieces when it shoots into the air. The small pieces fall back down to the land and cool and create cinders around the vent. Here's what that would look like. Now, volcano lava domes, those are built up by viscous magma being flared up effusively onto the shallow and then stacking up around the vent. This is what that would look like. Now you know a little bit about volcanoes, and now let's get back to the experiment.
Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to get an idea of what it's like to see a volcano explode from the ground, okay? Now, Uncle Heisenberg is going to step over here so I can go to my volcano, and we're all going to do it together, okay?
Yes.
So stand in your spot.
I'm in my spot.
And put on your safety glasses, very important.
Safety glasses. Activate safety glasses on.
Alright guys, now, when I tell you, pick it up and pour it into your volcano. 1, 2, 3. Pick it up and pour it into your volcano. Slow.
Whoa!
Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's why the answer is white.
Doesn't that look like the volcanoes you saw before?
Yeah.
Now this is
Mom, I played it.
what's happening right now is called a chemical reaction.
Mom, I
Because we have the liquid and the stuff that was inside your volcano that we made with Play-Doh, by the way. Okay? And now it's all together. Now it's very important, again, Orion, to put your safety glasses on so we can keep your eyes safe, okay? Alright guys, was that fun?
Yeah.
Alright. So again, thanks for watching Uncle Heisenberg. I hope you guys learned something.
Look at
Like and subscribe. Again,
Look at
this is brought to you by
mine.
nerd-o-rama-network.tv.
mine.
Getting all the sillies out. Sillies are out. And stop.
No more sillies.
Okay.
No more
Remember,
sillies.
guys, put your glasses on.
My glasses are on.
Very good. All right.
My glasses
So,
are
everybody.
All right, okay.
All right. Look at the camera.
I got it.
No cheese. No cheese. You're just looking at the camera.